this small window just to warning you that you are sure you want to delete. If you are sure, just type delete, okay, if you are sure, and then click on delete. So 3 times because there's no Ctrl+Z. Once you delete it, it's done. Hi everyone, Rodrigo here once again for one more Pipefy video, and today I would like to share with you guys how can we design a P2P workflow like instantaneously in only 3 steps. Let's do it together. Okay guys, from here in your Pipefy account, you just have to move on to this part, templates, and click once on templates. If you don't have no idea how this platform works, please consider to go back in our YouTube channel. There's a playlist called Pipefy. In that playlist, I shared with you how to use this platform from scratch, okay? Then once you learned how to do, go back here and continue this video. So once you click on template, as I was saying to you, click on that, then you have this part, procure to pay, P2P template pack. Once you click it, Pipefy just has this small video to introduce you. As you can see, 2-minute video to introduce you how this procure to pay workflow works. Once you just watch this video, you can click on this or whatever. If you don't want to watch, just click here, use template. And then wait for a while, and Pipefy will just design this workflow from scratch for you, okay? You don't have to do anything. You just have to wait until Pipefy done with this workflow. So let's wait for a moment. If sometimes you think, oh, it's take a long time, maybe it's already done, you just have to move here and click in this part, click here. And then you check if Pipefy finished, you will see the workflow or in your screen, but in this case it's still doing. So as you can see, Pipefy give me this message, one moment, we are customizing the P2P purchasing process template for you. So let's wait for a while. That's it. So all my workflow is now ready. As you can see, I have this first stage, okay, initial stage called approval, then I have validation, then I have RFQ, then I have supplier selection, purchase order, received an invoice, and then done. Done means the ending of my workflow, okay guys? So as you can see, we have here 6 stages until done, and we have done stage as well. But for example, if you are looking for customize, okay, this is too much for me, I don't need validation stage in my case, how can I just customize that, Rodrigo? How do I do that? It's easy guys, you just have to go here, then click on these 3 dots, more options, then you can just go back and delete phase like easily. Always Pipefy will show this small window just to warning you that you are sure you want to delete. If you are sure, just type delete, okay, if you are sure, and then click on delete. So 3 times because there's no Ctrl+Z. Once you delete it, it's done. You cannot redo that process. And also guys, if you want just to like customize the initial stage of your workflow, for example, Alisa August, as you can see, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cards. Each card represents one person, one supplier in this case. And once you click it, they are just sample for you, all right? And once you click it, you will be able to see in the left all the data, all the fields that you have related to this process that Pipefy created automatically. But if you want just to customize, you can go and customize this part. Also, you can go here on the right and customize this field for this stage approval. This stage, as you can see here, it's called new request because we are in new request. So this is the start form of your workflow. If you want to customize this one, you just have to close the card, go up here in the name of phase. Doesn't matter in which phase you are, you can just go, and then once you hover, you will see the setting button, click on this, edit phase, and then you will see this screen. From this part, you can just move in right left corner, click over here, select any phase that you want to work, or if you are looking for customize just the start form, click on this section, this tab, start form, and then customize from here. You can go on 3 dots, delete the field if you want, confirm delete. You can just add a new field from the left. So once you click it in the left, click, give the name, for example, here is name, then choose the type, short text or long text, then click on save, and then you will see this field now applied here. If you want just to reorder the field, just hold with your mouse and scroll up until the position that you want to leave, drop, and that's it. Once you do it, Pipefy automatically just show that small warning says concluded, updated, and once you set it, you can just close the window. Now you have the new field applied in the left of your cards. Okay, just be careful, guys, because sometimes if you deleted a field that already has information in any of the other cards, you will lose this information for all. Okay, just be careful before delete. Just be careful and be sure that you don't have that information, that field being used for any other card. Okay, otherwise you will just lose the information. For you, if in your case it's not a problem, just go ahead and have fun. All right, but if this is important for you, be careful. And then once you finish the customization of your stage and you think, oh, this is good for release, you just have to click in the card, then move over here in the 3 dots, and then delete the sample cards. Now you have this option, delete sample cards. Once you click delete sample cards again, all the sample cards are just deleted. Now your workflow is fresh and ready to release. All right. Okay, guys, that's how we customize the P2P workflow on Pipefy. I hope you like it. If you like it, please don't forget to thumbs up and consider be a subscriber in our YouTube channel, because we always update the Pipefy playlist with new videos like weekly. So it will be a pleasure to be in contact with you. If you have any comments, just leave in the comment down below. Also, will be a pleasure to answer you as soon as possible. And that's all for today. See you in the next video. Bye.